Rice is considered a staple in all Asian countries, and Japan is no exception. When every second meal is centered around rice, you know that a brilliant rice cooker is a must-have in all Japanese households. Japanese rice cookers are known for their high-tech functions, quick cooking time, and versatility. Although they are on the more expensive side, they're definitely worth the investment. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best Japanese rice cooker in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Zojirushi NP VZ10TA Rice Cooker. When it comes to induction heating rice cookers, the main alternative to the Tiger IH is the Zojirushi induction heating system, rice cooker and warmer. This induction heating system uses a high-tech method to heat the inner cooking pan. It's a triple heater pot, meaning the bottom, side, and lid heat to avoid rice on the bottom overcooking. This means the smart rice cooker can make precise temperature adjustments to make perfect Japanese rice. It also cooks brown rice, jasmine rice, sushi rice, and porridge as well. So, what's the difference between the Zojirushi and the Tiger induction heating rice cookers? They are pretty comparable. Zojirushi does more of an effort in marketing its brown rice cooking capabilities, if that is important. Number 2. Tiger Rice Cooker and Warmer. The Tiger 5.5 Cup Rice Cooker is one of the most classic rice cookers to come out of Japan. Tiger has been manufacturing this Tiger rice cooker and warmer for decades. It's a lot less high-tech than the other products we recommend. In the end, it gets the job done consistently. This also means it is incredibly easy to use. There is a non-stick inner pan and a removable and washable steam vent. There is a keep warm function that will keep rice warm all day, for up to 12 hours. This Tiger rice cooker cups in different sizes and colors, from stainless steel to a very classically Japanese white with pink flowers. Number 3. Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. As mentioned above, Zojirushi is one of the best Asian rice cooker brands. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Logic Rice Cooker cooks up to 10 cups of rice. Although it is not one of the most aesthetically pleasing of the Zojirushi rice cookers made in Japan, it's a good value considering all that it packs into its compact rice cooker package. The menu is easy to navigate. It cooks white rice as well as brown rice and offers a keep warm function. Even within white rice, it offers options to cook it as regular rice, sushi style, softer, harder, etc. The Fuzzy Logic technology means that the rice cooker will think for itself and adjust as it needs to in order to make the perfect rice. Number 4. Panasonic SR HC1065 Cup Japanese Rice Cooker. This small and compact Panasonic Japanese rice cooker is the perfect addition for a small family. It's simple to operate while still offering 13 different preset cooking functions. You can easily prepare multiple dishes such as white rice, quinoa, porridge, frozen rice, and even sticky rice. It boasts a 7-layer inner cooking pan that helps to keep the rice warm for 12 hours whilst resting in the cooker. It turns off the cooking function so that the rice is never overcooked. Number 5. Toshiba Low Carb Digital Programmable Multifunctional Rice Cooker. Health-conscious people will rejoice at hearing that Toshiba has developed a multifunctional rice cooker that cooks low-carb rice. How is this possible, you ask? It is because the technology built within this rice cooker can remove at least 37% of unwanted unhealthy, digestive starch from the rice. As a result, you will be consuming rice that is lighter and healthier for your body. It also features 8 pre-programmed settings that will allow you to cook different rice types including brown, white, and mixed grains. You can also whip up a delicious bowl of soup, stew, and oatmeal if you'd like. That was our list of the top 5 best Japanese rice cooker in 2023 just for you.